What factors to consider when determining your budget as a homeowner? The good thing is if you're getting a mortgage, your mortgage is going to handle a lot of that. They're only going to qualify you for up to a certain amount, a certain monthly payment that matches your budget based on the income you have. But outside of that, you're going to have some other costs. So you should be budgeting another couple of $100 a month for maintenance and repair costs. As a homeowner, you are going to have to spend a little of your money on your house. Over time, you'll get that money back by equity. The budget you are going to be really calculating is going to include your monthly mortgage payment, your HOA payment if there's any, and on top of that, add anywhere between 100 to 200 a month for maintenance expenses. Maybe a landscaper, a pool cleaner, and things like that. And then of course, utilities. The easiest way to figure out your utility bill is that you can ask the bill provider, what is the average monthly bill? Can you give me an average? That way you can add that into your budget. So these are the things you need to consider for your budget.